Today, I'm going to be showing you how you're going to execute your own perfectly homemade gravy. I want you to go ahead and ditch that packet and you're going to get it done right at home with all the things that you will probably already have in your refrigerator.
First, you're going to prepare all of your ingredients. You have broth, Worcestershire sauce, flour, salt, pepper, and a little bit of butter. Now we're going to melt down 2 to 3 tablespoons of butter in your medium-sized skillet. Use a silicone whisk so you don't scratch up those pans. Melt that butter completely, and we're going to be going over medium heat right here. Then you're going to add in 1/4 cup of all-purpose flour. These two things combined makes your roux. Make sure you don't burn it, but make sure you cook it long enough so that that flour taste cooks off. Go ahead and continue whisking for about 1 to 2 minutes and make sure that it stays nice and golden just like this. Then we're going to add in 2 cups of chicken broth very slowly. I'm going to add about 1 cup for the first round, and then I'm going to whisk it together and get rid of those clumps from the flour. Whisk it nice, and you're going to get this really tight paste, and that's okay because we're going to add in the other cup of chicken broth right after that. Slowly add it in, and I want that chicken broth to be about room temperature so that it's very easy to get that gravy right back up to the temperature that you want to be cooking it at. Continue whisking, and you're going to add in pepper, and then next we're going to add in Worcestershire sauce. These two things give it a nice bite and a nice flavor, a well-rounded flavor in your gravy. So you're going to know your gravy is finished once the tight bubbles appear, and you can turn off the heat at that point. Dip your spoon in and then swipe with your finger. That's the spoon test. That's when you know that gravy is nice and thick. I like to add a pinch of kosher salt right at the end to finish off that seasoning. Make sure you taste your food and serve it up.
And that's it. That's how easy it is to make your own homemade gravy. I hope you loved it, and I hope you feel empowered and like you accomplished something. You're going to be adding that gravy to sausage, biscuits. You're going to be smothering pork chops. You're going to be doing all sorts of stuff with this new skill that you have. I hope you enjoyed cooking with me, and if you like tips and tricks like this, go ahead and like, subscribe, and hit that bell so you get all the notifications of all of my next videos. Good, baby.